Okay, here's the latest update, which is a 240 volt line coming up to my PD. Some shallow PDUs that are running it's 240 out and not metered, they're just basic PDUs. And then I'm running, now I've updated to my 1400 watt Dell power supplies over there, so I can run 3 on you and 3 on you, and then 2 on the 750, but it's now running at 240 volts also. So all of these are running off of those 3 PSUs at 240 volt, and then I got this little setup over here. I pulled one of these for testing purposes. Maybe I'll walk over to the little bench over there. But then these are still running at 120 volts. I have another 240 line coming in. I just wanted to get this one up and running for now. And then I'm still working on a slightly open wiring panel there. So yeah, that's the setup currently. And then I might as well show this setup, which is just a cheesy old 1080, installing the NVIDIA drivers on a rebtech with NVIDIA. So this is where I'm going to try out, start. I'm going to try NiceHash on Windows with this little test bench. I have a stray 3090 sitting here that now that I've got high voltage back up there, now that I've got it up there, I can move this up to the top. I should have enough power on another one of those power supplies. The 750 can drive 2 of these guys, especially server power supply. So yeah, that's the current setup. Oh, and this, I already posted a video, but this is running a 256 gigabyte SSD and a 16 gigabyte SODIMM on the rebtech. So this thing's pretty stacked. I mean, obviously the SSD can be a lot bigger, but this is just for mining purposes. It's about the biggest SSD you would need to mine with. There's no real reason for a 512 or terabyte SSD for mining. The purpose is I'm going to probably put I'm going to put at least 64 gigabyte swap or 128 swap. I'll see what swap I need, if there is any benefit, if it works, when I put in 6 NVIDIA cards onto this. I'll move it up to the top there, or I'll just move this SSD over to another one of the boards that are running 8 right now. So we'll see. Specifically about the quantities, in order to get NiceHash to see it, there's NiceHash operating system, which I haven't tried the USB boot yet, but you have to turn off the 64-bit bar support, and then that'll open up the ability for NiceHash or Windows to detect 6 cards. If you put in the 7th, it won't necessarily work. But if I come over here and show the setup, these 2 are running, this is running 8 cards, but this is running Hive OS, and Hive OS has no problem. It doesn't care about the 64-bit bar support disabled. It'll just, Hive OS will mine off of them just fine. However, this one over here is only connecting 6. I'll have a limit of 6 connections there. There's one of them's unused. You see a 7 plugged in, but one of just the riser that's plugged in over there is unused. So if you plug in a 7th card, like the board won't boot basically. So that's what I'm trying to investigate whether I can get 6 to mine using NiceHash Windows for the VRAM core temperature readings. The Windows readings will give us the core temp. The Windows drivers will let us read the core temp. And then if I can get 6 to mine on Windows with using a large swap drive, then I'll fiddle with getting 8 to work, going from 6 to 8. And if not, then I'll probably just order a 4th one of these boards. And my plan was to have 3 boards running 24 cards. That would be 8 cards a piece, because there are 8 ports, but if I can only use 6 of them for NiceHash reasons, then I'll maybe go to a 4th rebtech board. I don't think I need to run them all NiceHash. In fact, I may not. I may only run one of them as NiceHash. I may just only run 6. So I don't really, and it's going to be a while with the prices of GPUs. It'll be a while before I get 24 video cards up here. So I've got some time. I'm in no rush to buy the 4th rebtech, and I might get something working before then, or who knows, drivers may work better, or maybe the Linux driver will let us, the Ubuntu driver will let us read core temps. So yeah, that's the progress, but high voltage for the win. Yeah, I gotta wire this one in next. And alright, just a little status update. See you later.